My name's Alan Soden. I've lived at Weiner here all my life that I've been in Arkansas. And my wife saw this place down here and wanted to stop around and shop around and see if we could afford something like this. So we moved down here in 2004. Liked it okay, and we had run into some problems with the floor getting squishy, getting a little mushy. So called the insurance company, and the insurance company says it wasn't covered. So I got a loan and got a hold of the insurance company. I told the guy I didn't know anybody that would do this kind of work. And he said, well, call Redeemers Group over in Memphis, and they do really good work. So I'm really glad I did. These guys are fantastic. The guys that work on the house they're really comprehensive. They keep me going, they keep me informed on what they're doing and what they're going to do. And I think I made a couple friends, and I hope they have too. So it's just great getting these guys to do all this for me. They just do a really, really good job. If anybody asks, any of my friends ask, I will definitely tell them that these guys do a good job and tell them to get a hold of these guys and talk to them. At least give them a chance to talk to them, and I think they'll be very happy with their work.